Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 17th, and this is my recap of the top of videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, the pound dollar didn't do a whole lot today compared to most other dollar pairs, really. But we do have a perfect 5 waves down. We do have a breaker structure on the 1 hour time frame. Now we don't have that major breaker structure that I've been talking about, so I'm definitely still not looking for longs. But I also don't trade the short time frame below the 1 hour, so it kind of depends on what kind of trader you are, because we do have a breaker structure on the 1 hour, which means that I would at least expect 3 waves up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels, and then an impulsive move down for the continuation down. Or maybe, just maybe, if we're real lucky, which I honestly don't think we are, maybe it will make a nice impulsive uptrend for the wave A. For me personally, I am waiting for the breaker structure, or I'm waiting for 3 waves up to a Fibonacci level for another entry to go short. I'm definitely still only looking for shorts in a downtrend, but like I said, I don't trade the short time frames. So if you do trade the short time frames, possibly the end of this wave B or 2 could be a pretty nice entry to go long. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.